harmonic intervals are played, are two notes played at the same time, and you know, we're used to playing one note at a time here, as you can see the G there, but sometimes we'll play two notes at a time. And take a look at this. Now those notes are written catty-cornered because they're so close together you can't really write them on top of one another. So we see the G there in the top space, and we see the F right below it. See that? How those are both a G, that's a G and an F in the left hand, F's on the fourth line, G's in the top space. But they're written catty-cornered like that because you can't write them on top of each other like they would be right here. Okay? So we call this a second. And an N and a D there. That's a second right there. Alright? You play them together at the same time. Both of those. Okay? It's called a second because they're two notes apart. You count both of them. F and G. 1, 2. Now take a look at this. Here we're going to have a third. That's going to be G and an E with it, which is a third away. So you have a note in the top space, a note in the next space down. Yes, it's a G and an E, and yes, you should be able to identify those two notes and name their location on the piano, but you should also notice that they're a third. They're stacked on top of each other, nice and neat like that. So that's called a third. Number 3, R, D. Alright, so there's a third. There's another third. Okay? They're called harmonic intervals when they're played together like that. Interval. Now let's take a look at a fourth. Take a look at that. You don't have to know this to be able to play these notes because, I mean, you know what the notes are.